Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we are doing an unboxing from Stylevana. I think that's how you pronounce it. Now let's see what's inside this box. Now I think this is a Korean-based place. Either way, it's not. When I was looking at the names of the brands, I couldn't pronounce them. So I'm going to place the name of the brand of each item right here or right here, because I don't want to butcher them, but I will still try to pronounce them. So let's get into this box and see what we got. I don't remember what I got, but I do remember I couldn't pronounce them. So I'm just gonna... Oh, just came out all in one big batch. I'll put the box to the side. I need scissors. So let's open it. I'm just going to start pulling things out. First thing is iUNIK, iUNIK. Tree Relief Serum, powerful relief, natural moisturizing, soothing care, brightening, and wrinkle care. It's hard to see with the lamp light, but I'll pull it closer so you can see the product. Let me open it. Oh, it's green. My favorite color. It is in Korean, so I wasn't wrong. And it says tea tree leaf water 67%. Centella Asiatica leaf water 19.5%. I don't know what that means, but there you go. So I'm guessing you just... Oh, there's a website. Made in Korea. Oh, it says right here how to use. Using the dropper, gently apply an appropriate amount onto your skin and let it absorb. So I'm guessing when you have your skin is clean to do that. And it does have a dripper inside, and the bottle is glass, so that's cool. I like how it tells you how to use it. Most Korean brands don't, well, the ones that I've gotten so far don't tell you how to use it on the bottle, which really sucks because I don't know how to use the product then, because you can't find most of these products online. At least the websites American online, like the American websites. Next is Hydrogel Eye Patch by PETITFEE, PETITFEE, P-E-T-I-T-F-E with a little thing above it, E. Black, pearl, and gold Hydrogel Eye Patch. This one looks like it's in... No, it's still Korean. Still Korean. At least I'm pretty sure Korean. This eye patch has 60 pieces in it. That's cool. I like eye patches because it helps things with your eyes. And oh, it still tells you how to use it. Awesome. Cleansing toner, apply patch 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Also use on skin such as forehead, laugh lines, etc. So it's not just for your eyes. It's also for your other wrinkle areas. I like it. I like it. Oh, it has a little knife, mini plastic knife. I'm gonna open it up and see what it looks like. Oh, you can't really see them very well, but oh, it's dripping. It dripped all over. It smells good though. There's a nice smell to it. I'm definitely going to use this right away tonight. I just got it all over my hand. It's going to wipe it off on my pants. I'm not going to use this, but I will definitely use this. So I'm very excited about this. This is probably so far the most excited I've been out of this entire box, and it's only been 2 items. I'm just going to put this back in its original box. I like how it tells you how to use it. That makes me so happy. You guys don't even know. Next, Beauty by JOSEON, Bubble Toner, Green Plum, and AHA. Directions: pump 1 or 2 pumps onto a cotton pad and gently swipe across the face. Pat gently to help absorption. Words that I can't pronounce. Welcome to my world. Now let's open it. It looks like this. You can't really see it very well. Sorry about that. Let's open it. Of course, you're going to have a close-up view while I'm telling you the name of it. Oh. It's a green bottle. I wonder if it foams. Prunus Mume fruit water 25% and glycolic acid 3%. It also has a website on here, so it probably can be sold on that website. Let's see if I can smell it. If you're new to my channel, I smell everything. It smells clean. I'm excited because they tell you how to use it. Like, not bashing in any company, but some companies don't tell you how to use it if it's foreign, and it makes it complicated to use. Next is, oh geez, Some by Me, so SOME by MI. AHA, BHA, PHA, 30 Days Miracle Cream. Centella 700,000 ppm. Dermatologist tested. Skin barrier calming and moisturizing. This one does tell you how to use it. Look at that. How to use: take an appropriate amount and spread evenly onto skin. Oh, it tells you cautions also. In case of having side effects such as red rash, swellenness, or itching while using this cosmetic, or in case of such symptoms appear by direct sunlight after using it, consult a dermatologist immediately. Do not apply it on the part where you have a scar, eczema, or dermatitis. Precautions for the treatment and storage. Keep out of reach of children. Store away from direct sunlight. Do not use it for children under the age of 3. So my husband can't use this because he has dermatitis on his face. Where did my scissors go? Which sucks because I like to use products on him, and he likes products being used on him. He likes being pampered. So whenever there's a product I can use on him, I usually do. Well, when I remember to. So it sucks that he can't use this. I have to keep the box. Unless it says on here, it's minty. Oh, and it's green. It's minty. It's definitely minty, or a mint type of smell to it. Not a bad thing at all. I like the smell of mint, and that means it has a cooling factor to it. So that's cool. Everyday sun care, comfort touch, beauty rewards. Enjoy super active Aries sun stick. Airy and convenient sun stick to use anytime, anywhere. SPF 50. It looks like a little deodorant stick. It's so tiny. So this is perfect for during the day when you just want to go out and have fun. Take this with you and then just put it on your face. Maybe rub it in a little bit, just carefully so you don't cause wrinkles. I'm getting hungry. I don't know about you guys. Bubble Lip Mask by RiRe. RiRe. Lip mask. Bubble lip mask. Does it have bubbles in it? Our lip mask features soft micro bubbles that gently remove dead skin cells from the lips to moisturize and smoothen your lips. Smoothen. Smoothen. Smoothen your lips. Smoothen. It's because it's cut off. So you see smut and then you see the next line is hen. Smoothen. That's great. Take an appropriate amount and apply throughout your lips. Wait 2 to 3 moments until sufficient bubbles to come up. Once your lips bubble up, massage your lips gently. Wipe off with tissue or water. I'm excited for this. I've never had bubble lip mask on my lips. So this is going to be interesting. I have really dry lips lately. I think it's because of the weather. It looks like a little tube. But yeah, my lips have been super chapped. And it's the last item. Empty bag. Oh, this is going to be one I'm going to butcher. Sulwhasoo. Gentle Cleansing Foam. Sulwhasoo. Sorry if I'm butchering this, guys. I am very sorry about it. Let's see. Gently cleansing foam. A mild liquid cleansing foam with rich foamy leather that effectively removes impurities while leaving the skin well moisturized. Oh. This is what it looks like. It has a little thing on it. A nozzle. It looks like it's a thick liquid. And it's like a pinkish orangish tone to it. And that's all the products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.